For centuries, humanity has dreamed of reaching the stars, but the cost of launching rockets has kept space exploration out of reach for most. What if there was a way to travel to space without the need for expensive fuel or explosive launches? Enter the concept of space elevators, a revolutionary idea that could transform how we access orbit and beyond. In this video, we'll explore what space elevators are, how they work, and why they might be the ultimate solution for affordable and sustainable space transportation. Let's dive in. Launching payloads into space using rockets is an incredible feat of engineering, but it comes at a staggering cost. Each launch requires millions of dollars worth of fuel, not to mention the environmental impact of burning massive amounts of propellant. But imagine a system where you could ascend into space effortlessly, like riding an elevator in a skyscraper. That's the promise of space elevators, a vision that could make space travel routine, safe, and accessible to all. Let's break down how space elevators could revolutionize space transportation step by step. At its core, a space elevator is a long tether anchored to Earth's surface and extending tens of thousands of kilometers into space, held taut by centrifugal force. The key component is the tether itself, which must be incredibly strong yet lightweight to support the weight of climbers and resist breaking under stress. Above the atmosphere, a massive counterweight keeps the tether taut, creating a stable structure for climbers to traverse. Climbers carry payloads, whether satellites, cargo, or even passengers, up the tether using renewable energy sources, eliminating the need for rocket propulsion. With no reliance on expendable rockets, space elevators drastically lower the financial barrier to space exploration. Space elevators offer numerous advantages over traditional methods of space travel, making them a game changer for humanity's future among the stars. Unlike rockets, space elevators produce minimal pollution, paving the way for eco-friendly space exploration. High-frequency operations allow us to expand our presence in space quickly and efficiently. Affordable transport means more opportunities for scientists, entrepreneurs, and adventurers to participate in the space economy. While the concept of space elevators is exciting, significant technical and practical challenges remain before they become reality. Developing a tether material strong enough to span such vast distances remains one of the biggest obstacles. Protecting the tether from natural and man-made threats requires innovative shielding and repair mechanisms. Constructing a space elevator will demand unprecedented levels of international collaboration, funding, and technological advancement. Though daunting, overcoming these hurdles brings us closer to realizing a transformative leap in space transportation. If successfully implemented, space elevators would have profound effects on global economies and industries. Lower costs spur innovation, allowing startups and smaller nations to compete in the space race. Space elevators create entirely new markets, generating wealth and employment opportunities both on Earth and in space. Collaborative efforts foster peace and prosperity, uniting humanity under a common goal of exploring the cosmos. Economic benefits ripple outward, transforming societies and inspiring generations to aim higher. As with any groundbreaking technology, space elevators raise important ethical questions about ownership, regulation, and equitable access. Fair governance ensures that space elevators serve humanity collectively, rather than enriching a select few. Ensuring safety and preventing misuse require stringent protocols and oversight. Inclusive policies ensure that everyone, not just privileged groups, can benefit from space elevators. Responsible development ensures space elevators enhance human progress without compromising values or fairness. Now that you've seen how space elevators could revolutionize space transportation, from lowering costs to fostering global collaboration, you're ready to imagine your own role in shaping this bold new era. These innovations aren't just about technology, they're about creating a future where space is truly within everyone's reach. Don't forget to share your thoughts or questions about space elevators in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and join our community of forward-thinking creators. For more updates on emerging trends and staying informed, check out platforms like NASA Tech Briefs, SpaceX News, or specialized YouTube channels. Together, we can master the future responsibly. Space elevators represent more than just a mode of transport. They embody a vision for a future where humanity reaches new heights, explores uncharted territories, and builds bridges between worlds. By embracing innovation while respecting ethics, we unlock the ability to redefine space travel in ways previously unimaginable. The journey starts now with you.